that area. So with those few words again, on behalf of the ministers, we are working towards to again special that what the ministry is also going through, and also Max. Then we.
No, Thank you. But as the Minister highlighted, agriculture plays a very pivotal role in terms of development and socio-economic development in Fiji. And in fact, it has been very much underutilized in terms of that sector, contributing towards the GDP. And I think we have probably, I would be bold enough to say that we've never seen such an energetic Minister for Agriculture. And I'm sure that under his leadership, we'll be able to achieve the true potential of the agricultural sector in Fiji. The reality is that, under the Bainimarama government and now under the Fiji First government, we have really unleashed one of the key potential contributors or determinants in agricultural stability, which is the availability of land on a long-term basis. Because Fiji, unfortunately, as you will look around yourself and see, very, very few long-term investment in agriculture. Very, very few commercial agricultural farming. You go overseas, you see acres and hundreds of acres of farmlands being utilized for various agricultural products. In Fiji, you don't see that. And one of the pivotal issues that a lot of people indeed in government don't realize it is that in order for you to invest in agriculture, you need money. In order for you to gain money, you need to go to a bank. In order for the bank to give you money, you need an asset. The key asset that you can mortgage is land. Whether it's leased land or whether it's freehold land. Even if 91% of all land in Fiji is leased land, you can still get a lease and you can still mortgage it. All the hotels, like I keep on saying, 90 or 95% of all the hotels in Fiji are built on Itauke land. But it's mortgaged. ANZ, Westpac has a mortgage, and they use that money to build the hotel. In the same way that they are doing well, we can have that in the agricultural sector. Agriculture, of course, apart from that, needs the support from the Ministry of Agriculture. And the Minister's focus on linking agricultural growth with food security, linking agriculture with poverty alleviation, and linking agriculture with, in fact, sustained livelihoods is something that probably is unprecedented. And that is something that we all need to take advantage of. And to draw that connectivity is critical. And, I can tell you, if you look at all the statistics, if you look at all the assessments that have been carried out, if Fiji gets agriculture right, we are in for a long haul of long-term development. An exponential growth in our GDP growth. So I think that is very, very critical. So all of you here in this room play a very pivotal role in ensuring that we have sustained livelihoods. And I'm sure, Minister, under your leadership and with your team, and the revamping, as you know, that through PSC reforms, you're looking at encouraging more active participation of civil servants, giving you specific career paths, making sure that you have good KPIs that you can meet, not only meet, but also be rewarded for that. That's a whole part of the civil service reforms. So I'd like to thank the ministry for its $500,000 contribution. The Minister was telling me that you're going to do some renovations in the offices. I'm sure you'll be using more than $500,000 in the renovations. So this is your contribution towards your renovations of revamping the office. So and I encourage you to work with your Minister to ensure that all Fijians benefit from the agricultural sector in Fiji. Naka.